Hey guys, welcome to the online studio by Banjara School of Dance, and this is the basics of belly dance. Today we're going to be covering the fundamentals of belly dance posture and how to do chest circles. There are 4 important points for posture. Point number 1, the shoulders and the upper body. What we're going to do is lift the shoulders up, push them back, drop them down. Making sure the chest doesn't get lifted, still stays as centered as possible. So shoulders up, push back and drop down. Try to feel that solid feeling in the chest. From the side, shoulders up, pushed back, dropped down, making sure you're standing in a nice long position. We'll now talk about the hips. Understanding the position of the hips is crucial to belly dancing. Making sure that the tailbone is tucked under. Naturally, the spine curves outwards, but what you want to do is pull the tailbone under. Try to also think about the pelvic floor. Raise the pelvic floor higher, drop the tailbone lower so that the tailbone can point towards the floor and the pelvic floor points upwards towards the sky. So tailbone down, pelvic floor up. Making sure that you don't over-engage your glute muscles. So tailbone down, pelvic floor up. And this is maximum engagement at all points of time in belly dance. Moving on to the knees. We're going to make sure that the knees are neither pointing outwards nor dropping inwards. When you bend your knees, the knees should be facing absolutely in front. The position of the feet is also connected to what's happening in the knees. Neither are we going to keep the feet too tightly in or out. The feet are going to stay hip distance apart or slightly in depending on your own personal convenience. Make sure the knees are not locked or too bent. You're standing in an absolutely comfortable position. Moving on to something fun, how to create chest circles. Chest circles are made out of 2 parts. Lifting and dropping the chest, and gliding the chest side and side. Now for the lift and the drop, we're going to be focusing on the upper abdomen and the middle back, making sure that we don't use the shoulders or the hips. For comfort, you can place your hands on your hips, using the upper abdomen. Lift the chest up, drop it down. If you put 2 fingers in the middle of your chest, you can feel a little muscle that opens and closes. Lift up and down. Up and down. No shoulders, no hips. Just the upper abdomen and the middle back. Up and down. Up and down. You can now add an accent to the same movement. Sharp up and sharply down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. In the second part, we're moving on to chest glides. The chest glide is moving side to side. Now, the muscle that is being engaged here is the lat muscle. When you push to the right side, make sure that the lat muscles on the left are squeezing. And if you push to the left, the muscles on the right are squeezing. Side and side, side and side, making sure the shoulders don't go up and down. So this is not what you want to do. What you want to do is to push the chest side and side. Shoulders stay in one straight line, side. You can also add a sharp accent to this. Sharp side, side. Making sure the hips don't move and only the chest slides from one side to the other. Side, 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 side and side. Make sure you get enough practice of the lift and drop, glide side and side before you move on to the complete chest circle. We're now going to put together the chest lift and drop and the chest glide side to side to create a chest circle. Putting our hands back on our hips, we're going to take the chest to one side first. From there, lift the chest up in the center. Shift the chest to the other side. Drop the chest back in the center. Side, up, side, down. At the moment, I'm doing the chest circle broken. There is no connection between the four movements. Side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down. We can also do this on the other side. Side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down. For the last part, putting the four elements together to create a complete circle. Side, join the dot from one side to the other as if you're drawing a stroke from one point to the next one. So side, up, side, down. Side, up, side, down. Make sure that one circle is connected to the next one. Side, up, side, down. Side, up, side, down. For practice, you can pick up the tempo and the size of the circle will become a little smaller. You can also practice it on the other side. Side, up, side, down. Side, up, side, down. Pick up the pace, which will automatically reduce the size. Let's drill all of this on music now. Thanks for watching. For more belly dance tutorials, make sure you subscribe.